About to leave Islands of Adventure. So, how was your trip at Islands of Adventure? Good. So worth it. Waiting on the cab. And the moving walkway.
Watch your step.
We have to walk again to get to the other moving walkway. How convenient. What's the point of doing this? Why not just make a whole walkway?
Well, because there's a thing
Oh. So? Okay. It's beautiful out here at night. Look at the trees. I don't know if you can see that, but they're trees. Some people still coming in. I don't know why. They're about to close in like 20 minutes. Oh, I'm trying to focus. It's not focusing. Dining, dancing, live music. There's the other three. I wonder how they got there before us. Alright, about to leave. Goodbye.